Spiritual thinking means viewing life as a candle. The goal is to serve to your fullest extent before life gets extinguished. We are neither the body nor the mind. We are divine souls. Understanding our identity provides the key for weakening our negative emotions. It is said, winners have 1,000 reasons to make excuses. One reason to succeed. They take that one reason and proceed. No matter how great one's latent talents may be, the only way to manifest them as abilities is through practice. Enthusiasm without proper direction is like a high-speed car with broken steering and no brakes. It is said that genius is 99% perspiration and 1% inspiration. Somebody who is willing to trying hard becomes a success. True love is that where we are willing to give our all and seek nothing in return. Unless we forgive, we are still locked by the environment. And the moment we forgive, we become free. And that is the first step for moving ahead in the process of mind control. The truth is that money can only buy you fun or comfort. It cannot buy you happiness. This mind of yours, if it is controlled, it will become your best friend. Lift yourself by the power of your mind. Do not degrade yourself. Our mind hates to hear criticism about ourselves. The moment someone chides us, we recoil. And when we are praised, we feel elated. Forcing ourselves to do the reverse kills the grip of our ego. A strong aspiration will help you cut through the greatest hindrances, as a knife cuts through butter. However, if your aspiration is weak, then every little obstacle will appear like a mountain to you. Success in life means to be good, to do good, and to feel good. God relishes the love of the giver, not the gift of the lover. Stress is a symptom of lack of our submission to the will of God. When we experience stress, the best medicine to cure it is to increase our level of surrender. Forgiveness is a sublime personality trait that immediately releases all bitterness from the mind. It is a favor we do, not to the other person, but to ourselves. Meditation is a means of elevating the mind to divine consciousness, for reaching the ultimate goal of life, which is divine love for God. Fight, and you will conquer the enemies of your mind, because God wants you to succeed. Our eternal and selfless relative is the Supreme Lord. With Him alone is our deepest and closest relationship. The world created by God is perfect in every way, and both good and bad situations come to us for a divine purpose.
Thank you for watching this video. Which quote did you like the most? Share your opinion in the comments. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video. Please like and subscribe. Paramount Quotes.